Hey everyone! If you're diving into the world of web development, HTML is your starting block. It's the skeleton of the web, the very framework that holds up every site you visit. Today, I'm going to guide you through the basics of HTML and set you on your path to becoming a web development pro. Let's start with what HTML stands for. Hypertext Markup Language. It's not a programming language, but a markup language that tells your browser how to structure the web pages you visit. It's composed of elements, tags, attributes, and all these come together to create the content you interact with daily. Now, every HTML document starts with a doc-type declaration. It looks a bit technical, but all you need to remember is, this line tells your browser that what's coming is an HTML5 document. Right after this, we wrap everything inside the tags. Inside these HTML tags, there are two parts, the head and the body. The head is like the brain. It doesn't show anything directly on the page, but it holds crucial information like your page's title and links to style sheets or scripts. Speaking of titles, that's set within the tags, and it's what you see in your browser's tab. Now, the body, that's where the action happens. It's everything you see on the page, text, images, buttons, you name it. And to organize our content, we use tags like two for headings, being the most important and the least. We also have for paragraphs, for links, and for images. Each element serves its purpose and helps us structure our content in a meaningful way. Let's try writing a simple HTML page. Imagine we're creating a profile page. We'd start with our doc-type declaration, then open our HTML tags. Inside, we'll have our head with the title set as My Profile. In the body, let's add a heading with My Profile, a paragraph describing ourselves with, and maybe a link to our portfolio with Check Out My Work. And there you have it, a simple HTML document. Of course, HTML is vast, and there's much more to learn, like adding styles with CSS and making pages interactive with JavaScript. But understanding these basics is your first step towards mastering web development. Remember, the best way to learn is by doing. So I encourage you to experiment with the tags we discussed today and start building your own web pages. Practice, practice, and more practice will make you fluent in HTML and ready to tackle more complex projects. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding.